All right, this is Jeff Davis here again out at SEMA 2016. We're out at the first time and featured exhibitors booth. We're out here with Stan from Parts Detect, a really cool app that he has for mechanics. And I wanted to show you guys after talking to him for just a minute. He's going to show off his app. Now what this does, and he just explained it to me, but he's going to go in a little bit more detail. Basically, you go. The idea is if your mechanic has this app, they can scan the barcode that's on your car, and then it gives them all the information and parts for that car. They can order them or something. I believe, is that basically how it works?
You're right on, exactly. We give mechanics a free and easy to use app that they can search for parts through their local vendors.
All right, cool. So go ahead and demo this, Stan. Tell us a little bit about how this works. Maybe do the scan part again for us.
So it's very simple. From a user's point of view, you have different options, but right now we'll use the scan feature. You open that up, you scan the VIN number, and it'll instantly decode it, as you can see. And then we can either speak into it or we can type which part we're looking for. In this case, we'll go front brake rotors. Let's do it again. Front brake rotors. At that point, we hit done, and right now it's going to go through AutoZone's inventory. And as a user, I can select multiple vendors. So right now we have brakes and traction. We're going to click on that, front brake rotors, and then instantly we have their live data, live inventory at the same time. It'll give us multiple pictures, which we can see. It'll give us our price, and it'll tell us how many they have in store, in the network, or at the distribution center. At that point, I can either call them or I can place an order directly from the app. At that point, it'll send a job or to AutoZone. AutoZone will pick up that receipt and send it on over directly to my shop. Very simple, very user-friendly.
Okay, so let me ask you something. So you got a user system built in, so maybe they would know what the nearest store they're connected to, or is that how that works?
It definitely does. So when you set it up through your profile, you will input your customer ID number. That customer ID number reflects which home store you are dealing with.
That's really cool. So how long did it take you to develop this? Just curious. We got a lot of time into the Speed Culture app, but to give you an idea.
So we are in our second year. So it's been 2 years and 5 months.
Yeah, getting these apps out is tough. It's tough, but I really thought this was a cool app, and I wanted to maybe we'll have him on the radio or do another video in the future with him. They're out of Phoenix, but I'm sure they're going to get out over by our way, our home-based way. We got everybody nationwide there. Thanks for talking to us, Stan, and see you again. We got more videos coming from SEMA 2016.